Hey, how you doing? We're here to present you a first-person experience of a drive that we took from northern Queens to southern Queens. Hope you enjoy. So as we make a left right here, we're actually pulling into a neighborhood called Jamaica Estates. It's an affluent neighborhood in Queens, New York, not to get confused with Jamaica Queens. This is actually the neighborhood our President Donald Trump grew up in. We're actually going to be crossing over Hillside Avenue right here. This is actually where Jamaica Estates ends and Jamaica Queens begins. So you'll see a difference in the housing, the space with the lawns, just the structure of the homes overall. Right here we're on Jamaica Avenue and 179th. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe.